Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. Winds are going to be the story of the day today. Some strong south and southeasterly winds picking up, and once we hit the daylight hours and then throughout the day today. Now, the other thing about today, a small chance of rain and thunderstorms in central Nebraska this morning. Not much of a chance this afternoon, but a few passing clouds. But again, the winds, big story, and that's going to bring in continued warm conditions as those winds will be out of the south and the southeast. Still fairly blustery overnight tonight as a cold front approaches. That'll bring in chances of showers and storms. The best chance out towards the west, although a chance does pick up in the Tri-Cities, especially after midnight tonight. And then as we get into tomorrow, you folks in western Nebraska are pretty much done with the rain. This will be more of a central and eastern Nebraska focus, especially an eastern Nebraska focus for tomorrow. But notice still some lingering showers and storms around the Tri-Cities, but certainly, again, eastern Nebraska, you folks hold the best chance of some heavy rainfall and some strong to severe thunderstorms as well, and those will linger into Tuesday evening before clearing out later in the night. And behind the system, not a lot of cold air. We're not going to cool off much behind the system for Wednesday. As for your rain totals, and again, this isn't an exact science by any means, but just kind of give you an idea that the heaviest rains will be in eastern Nebraska over the next couple of days. You can also see a pocket of maybe some decent rain totals off towards the northwest up in the sandhills of Nebraska. So Tri-Cities more than likely won't pick up a lot of heavy rainfall, maybe enough to settle the dirt, but again, to the east, a little more of an issue out there. We could see an inch or more of rain in some spots, especially under the heaviest thunderstorms. As for your risk of severe weather late today and into tonight, we have that risk west of the Tri-Cities, so in those green shaded areas. Not going to see a lot of severe weather, but something that can't be ruled out tonight. And then to the east tomorrow, and I think we have a better chance of some severe weather for tomorrow, especially for folks in southeastern portions of Nebraska and down in the northeastern portions of Kansas. As for your weather later on today, now the big story is going to be the winds. Gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. We'll see partly cloudy skies up north, upper 70s for highs. The warmest temps will be out west today, low to mid 80s for highs. A slight chance of a late day shower storm. Also going to see strong winds out west. Pretty strong winds in south central Nebraska, north central Kansas, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. A small chance of a morning rain and isolated thunderstorm out there. And then to the east, partly cloudy skies, maybe even mostly sunny at times. Looking at temperatures topping out in the upper 70s to around 80. Not quite as strong with those winds, although still could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Lighter the farther east you go. Next couple of days here, tomorrow, not that bad temperature-wise. It'll actually probably be coolest in the eastern part of the state with the best chance of rain and thunderstorms. As we get towards Tuesday night, things drying out. A little chillier for Wednesday morning, not unusual for this time of the year. Wednesday, a pretty decent day out there. And then Wednesday night, we return a new chance of showers and thunderstorms with another system. This time, the entire trough swings through, so much cooler air working in. Thursday could be just kind of a raw, blustery, wet day out there. Not a very pleasant day by any means. The rain chances will clear out Thursday night, and by Friday, we're left with dry conditions. Now, we are going to clear out and we're going to bring those winds down for Thursday night. So by Friday morning, some places down cold enough that we may see a little patchy frost out there, and I would not be surprised to see a couple of places drop back to near the freezing mark by Friday morning. And then Saturday morning again could be another fairly chilly start where frost or maybe even some sub-freezing temperatures are possible. But the weekend looking pretty good right now. Going to warm things up through the weekend and keep the sunshine around, so looking pretty good for that second full weekend of October. So there you go. Again, a little bit of wet weather in the forecast here, particularly you folks in eastern Nebraska on Tuesday, the best chance, and then Thursday, again, not the most pleasant of days. That'll be the worst day of the week, the way it looks right now. And of course, don't forget about those winds for today. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you enjoy your Monday.